Today we are going to make fading LED using the PWM pin. So here we require one breadboard, one Arduino Uno board, a USB cable, one LED and a 1K ohm resistor. Here we are going to control the brightness of our LED using the PWM pin. So the Arduino board has 6 PWM pins, 3, 5, 6, 9, 10 and 11. We are going to connect our LED to pin 9 of the Arduino board. So for that, first place the LED on the breadboard. Connect the cathode of the LED on the negative line of the breadboard. Then, take a 1K ohm resistor. Connect one terminal of the resistor to the anode of the LED and other terminal. You just place it on the breadboard. Now, with the help of a jumper wire, connect the other terminal of the resistor to pin 9 of the Arduino. And then take another wire and connect the negative line of the breadboard to the ground pin of the Arduino. Our connections are done. Now we will do the coding.
Coding for fading LED using PWM. First of all, open the Arduino IDE software. Here we will create 3 variables. The first variable is of integer type and the name is LED pin. Assign pin 9 to it since the PWM pin the LED is attached to. Then type int and write the name of the another variable, that is brightness, and assign value 0 to it, and the last variable is fade amount and assign value 7 to it. Now in the word setup, declare pin 9 to be an output. So for that, type pin mode and give LED pin as output. Now inside the void loop, set the brightness of pin 9. For that, use the function analogWrite. The analogWrite function is used to assign analog value to the designated pin. So inside the analogWrite bracket, in place of the pin number, write the name of the variable LED pin, that is pin 9, and give the value brightness. In brightness variable, the value assigned is 0. So LED pin, the brightness is 0. Next, we will change the brightness for next time through the loop. So type brightness equals to brightness plus fade amount. Then give a if condition so that we can reverse the direction of the fading at the end of the fade. So inside if condition, type brightness less than equal to 0 and brightness greater than equal to 255. Fade amount is equal to minus fade amount, and outside the if condition, give a delay of 400 milliseconds. So our coding is completed. Now let us check the code. It's showing done compiling. That means our code is correct. Now from tools, we have to select Arduino Uno as the board, and then from code, whatever the designated COM port is shown, just click it, and after that click on the upload button. Your code will be uploaded.
Output of the fading LED using PWM pin. So here, as you can see, the brightness of the LED is increasing and decreasing.